How to change music length on Instagram post. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with steps if you want to change the music length on your new post or existing post. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So open up Instagram for that and we can start up the process of usually going ahead and posting. So tap on the plus option in the top left and select up a picture or a video that you would like to post. For example, let's say this is the picture right here. So once you've added your post here, we can edit it out. We can look out for the music option and tap on it, the audio option, and select up the specific audio that you would like to add. After that is done, we need to tap on the arrow icon and it will lead us to the space where we can add up music. So select it up and this music bar appears here. So we can just go and tap on this left hand side timer available. Right now it's 30 seconds. You can tap on it and you can increase or decrease the music length. So if you want to decrease it, you can swipe up and you can select up to 10 to 15 seconds. If you want to increase it, you can select the option for up to 60 to more and tap on finished. And when you do, you can tap on finished once again to apply up the music. Once it is done, you can again tap on the next option and go ahead and confirm it up and it should start processing. Now go ahead and normally post it like you usually do. You can add up a caption, tag people, add location, etc. and tap on share, and that way your Instagram post will be posted with a new music length available. So that's it everybody. For now, you can just go over and follow this method and you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.